Again, it's me, Vincent Twedon, of the Liberty Avengers Network. We are furthering our discourse on the importance of the fundamental human rights. And today I'm introducing to you a very important material that we have come up with in the Liberty Avengers Network. The material is called the Human Rights Pamphlet. We came up with this material when we found out that this is the way to go. And so we are not leaving it to the government alone. We decided to champion this cause because we believe in it. You know, our vision is to hand over this material to every adult in Nigeria. We want it in the hand of every adult in Nigeria, particularly our law enforcement agents, so that we can have access to this right and have this knowledge at our fingertip. You see, this material is a compilation of the Nigeria Provision on Human Rights, African Charter on Human and People's Rights, and then the United Nations Charter on Human Rights. You know, there are two basic reasons why we put the rights together. You see, if you read, first of all, if you read the Nigerian provision, the language will be hard. So if you read Nigerian provision, you don't understand, you go to the African Charter. The language is simpler than that of Nigeria. And in case you read that African Charter, you still do not understand, you go to the United Nations Charter. That one is far simpler than the other provisions, so that all of us can understand this right. Another reason we did it like that was because we see Nigeria beyond Nigeria. We see Nigeria occupy a very strategic position in the world, by our view, that Nigeria look like the only nation that can give identity to the black race. And we see Nigerians also going all out to help other African nations. And so there is need for an average Nigerian to have this global perspective, to understand this global best practice, because the rights are virtually the same in all nations of the world as is being adopted globally. So that whether you are in Africa or any continent in the world, you have this global best behavior. You know how to relate with people. As law enforcement agent in Nigeria, who will be relating with all manner of people from various nations of the world, you have this global best behavior, so that you will not be behaving in a certain manner that falls short of your personality as a law enforcement agent in Nigeria. So you know how to comport yourself. You know how to relate with these people. And then in Nigeria, wherever you find yourself in the world, you have this global behavior that makes you welcome anywhere you go, and you know how to relate with individuals. So that's why we made this a pamphlet. Is a compilation of the human rights provision globally. So, and the language is such that you can get it. We have some explanatory notes in there that can help you, that can guide you. More so, before the end of June, we are going to communicate to you how you can get your own copy. Because we are not selling it, we are giving it out free as a quota to humanity. So we're going to communicate to you how you're going to get this material before the end of June. And that we are going to do to let you have it. So keep a date with us, be on the lookout for it, and we're going to get that information to the public. Thank you.